welcome. We're at the stables today, a beautiful modern home. It looks like a barn conversion, but it isn't. It's somewhere we can relax and feel comfortable, isn't that right? We've got 4 or 5 bedrooms, depending on how you want to use and live in the accommodation. It is stunning, inside and out, absolutely immaculate. But let's have a look around. This is an extension the owners have put on, and it has just transformed this living space. You can see how fab the kitchen is. It's a stunner. But then we've got this lovely area for dining, formal or informal. 2 sets of bifold doors that open up onto front or back gardens. And when the weather's good, well, you can imagine you're letting the outdoors inside. It's lovely. As bedrooms go, they don't get much bigger than this. It's a fantastic principal suite. We have a huge amount of space, including a lovely shower room, but also the walk-in wardrobe that also gives you the opportunity, if you wanted to potentially put a staircase into the double garage. You could almost have a separate unit of accommodation, or you just enjoy it as it is, which is a magnificent principal bedroom suite.